We are making sesame and jaggery sweet. So this is roasted sesame, little bit grinded coarsely, and this is jaggery melted. So I have taken 400 grams of sesame seeds, and this is 300 gram of jaggery, little bit of water and some dried ginger and some cardamom, elaichi, into the this paste of jaggery and water. And this is little bit thick, so you can try making one wire. And then now I'll add the sesame gradually and keep mixing. As you can see, now our batter or dough is ready. I felt it was a little bit more sugary, so I added some desiccated coconut to it and mixed well. So now it's the good consistency. We can make balls out of it, and I'm just wrapping it around with some dried coconut powder, and hopefully they'll turn out well and you can try and enjoy at home. Thank you.